Good morning, dear students. We will start with lesson 17 pronouns today. Lesson 7 pronouns. What are the words pronouns? You have done in class 3rd also that pronouns are the word that we use in place of the nouns. जो भी nouns की जगह पे आप words देखते हो छोटे छोटे small words that are used, they are pronouns. As the name suggests, pronouns means those words used in place of nouns. Let us compare these two groups of sentences. Ritu is a nice girl. Ritu is my cousin. Now Ritu is highlighted word. Ritu is a nice girl. Ritu is my cousin. But when we change the second Ritu and then we use she here, Ritu is a nice girl. She is my cousin, because Ritu is a female, so girl. So in place of that we have used she here, so she is the pronoun. In the first group we have used the word Ritu twice. In the second group we have first used the word Ritu, then next time we have replaced Ritu with she. So Ritu is a noun and she is a word used in place of this noun. So it is, she is the word which is called as pronoun. इनको हम बोलेंगे in English, we call it pronoun. And these pronouns are used to make the sentence more beautiful. But because अगर आप बार बार ऋतु ऋतु करोगे हर एक सेंटेंस में, ऋतु इज़ अ नाइस गर्ल, ऋतु इज़ माई कजन, ऋतु स्टडीज इन क्लास 4th, so this will not look nice. So in place of ऋतु, first time ऋतु use होगा, then second time when we are using, we will use pronouns in place of Ritu, because every time we cannot say Ritu is, every time we cannot use the word Ritu, so this will not look nice. So in place of that we will use pronouns. The second, take this example second now. Shweta is saying, do you like the flowers, Kapil? She's asking questions, and the question first she has asked Kapil, do you like the flowers, Kapil? I have brought them. Now all the highlighter words like you, I and them, they are also pronouns. Here you stands for Kapil, then I stands for Shweta herself, and them stands for flowers. So Kapil, Shweta and flowers are noun. Yes, Shweta, Kapil and flowers are noun, and in place of them we have used you, I and them. These are pronouns. Now coming to the third, now taking the third example, now Renu is saying, I like apples, they are good for health, I eat them every day. Now highlighted words like I, both I, and then they and them, they are also pronouns, because I stands for Renu, they stands for apples, and second them stands for apples. I hope you have understood. These are pronouns. I, they, them, they are called pronouns. They are used in the place of noun and they are called as pronouns. So pronouns are the word that we used in place of a noun. Pronouns are those words that we use in place of nouns. Now some common pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Again, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, and then them. Now coming to the second. Second is, we also use pronouns to show things belong to somebody. Things belonging to somebody, or something which belongs to somebody. That is possession. हम उनको इसको इंग्लिश में वर्ड बोलते हैं पोजेशन. दैट मीन्स कि कोई चीज़ में अगर मेरी है, दैट दिस मीन्स दैट आई एम पोजेसिंग दिस pencil. For example, this pencil is mine, so I am possessing this pencil. This pencil is possessed by me, means ये मेरे पास है, ये मेरा possession है. This thing belong to me. So this is my book. No, that's not yours, that's mine. See this, yours and mine, and then these CDs are ours, yours are over there on the shelf. So these four words highlighted, yours, mine, ours, yours, these are four words highlighted. They are pronouns. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs are also pronouns, because they show that things belong to somebody. But you might have come to notice that this word my, why this is not highlighted? Because my, this is not pronoun, ये आपका प्रोनाउन नहीं है, दिस इज़ नॉट योर, दिस इज़ नॉट प्रोनाउन. आप माई को भी कभी कभी बहुत सारे चिल्ड्रन, बहुत सारे बच्चे माई को क्या लिख देते हैं, दैट दिस इज़ प्रोनाउन. दिस इज़ नॉट प्रोनाउन, दिस इज़ एडजेक्टिव. ओके, दिस इज़ एडजेक्टिव. ये पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है. दिस इज़ नॉट प्रोनाउन. सो when you say my book, okay, or her book, then his book, their book, THIR, their book, these are all not pronouns. ये pronouns नहीं है, these are adjectives. But when we put s, जब हम my का mine बना देते हैं, my का mine बन गया, ठीक है, then you, your का yours बन गया, your का हमने s लगा के yours बना दिया, that is pronoun. Your is not pronoun, without s is not pronoun, it is adjective. But when we put s there, then it becomes pronoun. Same way her book, उसको hers बना दिया आपने. This, okay, for example, that this is her book, this book is hers. So जो her book है, when we are saying her book, that is not pronoun. But when we say that this book is hers, s लगा दिया, that then it becomes pronouns. Then theirs, whenever we put s, that becomes the possessive pronoun. उसको हम बोलते हैं possessive pronoun. We have to take care of this, that my, your, his, her, their, without s, they are not at all pronouns, they are adjectives. Now coming to the exercise. Now underline the pronouns in the following sentence and circle the nouns which they stand for. Water and energy are valuable, they must not be wasted. Now this they is the pronoun here, and circle the noun water and energy. So this they is used for water and energy. Last evening Manan practiced guitar very hard, he has to perform on the stage today. So here he is the pronoun and it is used for the noun Manan. So you will encircle like this, you will do. The giraffe can see very far, it also has a strong sense of smell. Now it is the pronoun here, and for which it is used for giraffe. Giraffe is the noun here. This way you will do the whole exercise. I hope you have understood this. Now coming to the second one, what is personal pronouns? Now what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are the pronouns that name a person, as the name suggests, person, personal. So those nouns that names a person, they are called as personal pronouns. That names a person, they are called as personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are of three types: first person, second person, third person. Personal pronouns, further they are divided into three: first person, second person, third person. Now the first person is the person speaking. First person is the person speaking. For example, I am teaching, I am teaching, I am teaching. So here I is the first person, I is the first person. When I say I am teaching, I is the first person. Okay, coming to the second example, second person. First person हो गया जो इंसान बोल रहा है खुद, वो first person है. Then second person is the person spoken to. Now here second person are you. जो भी बच्चे सब वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, they are the second person. I am teaching you English. When I say I am teaching you English, now here first person is I, second person is you. I am teaching, I am speaking to you also. So मैं जिनको जो भी बात बता रही हूँ, सुना रही हूँ, that दो जो listeners हैं वो बन जाते हैं second person. They are second person. So you are second person. Now coming to third person. Third person is a person spoken about. For example, I am telling you, I am talking to you and I am telling you about the third person. Third person कुछ किसी और के बारे में आपको बता रही हूँ, they become the third person. For example, she is Mrs. Rana. Now these two children are talking. this is first person. He is telling to this girl. This is second, because she is a listener. He is saying that she is Mrs. Rana. So this Mrs. Rana, this female, this woman standing, she is the third person. I hope you have understood. First person is the one who is speaking. Second person is the one who is listening, जिसको जो first person है वो जो बता रहा है कुछ. And third person is the person they both are talking about. First person और second person जो भी जिसके भी बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो automatically third person बन जाता है. He or she becomes the third person. I hope you have understood this. Now first person, examples of first persons are I, pronoun I, then me is also pronoun, and mine, as I told you, this is possessive pronoun. Okay, we use it in the singular form जब हम सिर्फ एक हैं, I, me, mine. But जब ये एक से ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, plural हो जाते हैं, then it becomes we. I का बन जाता है we, me becomes us, mine becomes ours. Okay, for example, I am teaching, we are teaching. Okay, I am teaching, we are teaching. This is me, this is me, this is us, plural, this is us. This book is mine, this book is mine, this book is mine, this book is ours, plural. So first person singular I, me, mine, plural में I becomes we. जैसे मेरे साथ और भी 2-3 टीचर्स होंगी, हम सारे we बन जाएंगे, we become we. Then me, मेरे साथ और 2-3 टीचर्स, they become from me to us. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to us, give it to me, give it to us. Then mine, these books are mine, these books are ours, these books are ours. Coming to second person will be both singular and plural. चाहे वो singular हो चाहे plural हो, वो you और yours ही use होता है, इसमें कोई change नहीं होता है. There is no change. For example, I am teaching you, so I am teaching you all the children. मैंने आपके लिए भी you use किया है, उसमें कोई change नहीं है. And then yours, possessive. Okay, and yours, there will be no change. Both singular and plural, we will use you and yours. Coming to third person, he, him, his. Okay, he, him, his for male, जो अगर लड़का है then और masculine gender है, then he, him, his. Male के लिए ये use होगा, and for female it will be used as she, her, hers. She, her, hers for female, and it for a non-living or animal. For a non-living thing or an animal, कोई non-living thing और animal. And ये भी ध्यान देखना है that they are singular, ये एक हैं, they are all singular, single person. He, him, her, she, her, hers, it. Then coming to plural में ये सब बन जाते हैं they, them, theirs. Plural they become they, them, and they, them, and theirs. Like he और he जो भी boys हैं, for example one boy और group of boys हैं तो वो बन जाएंगे they. Same way him, them, his, theirs. Same for the female also. She, for example, group of girls are there, so they will become they, and her will become them, and hers will become theirs. I hope you have understood this. So this is the first person and second person and third person. Now singular and plurals of these pronouns we will do in next video.